Hello! So the first thing that we need to do to make our paper plate dinosaur is to get a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just use a piece of paper. First, if you do have a paper plate, you're going to cut it down the middle, just like this. To make a semicircle. If you don't have a paper plate, cut a piece of paper in the shape of this. The next step is to color in the body. For this dinosaur, I'm making a green T-Rex. You can use crayons, markers, or colored pencils, whatever you would like. For this one, I'm using my green crayon. I'm making this T-Rex's body all green. You can pause this video and decorate the body however you would like. Now that we have our body all colored in, we're going to set it aside. Now we are going to take our construction paper or any other kind of paper that you have and a pencil so we can start drawing the head, arms, legs, and the tail. First, we're going to start with the tail. So I like to make a long triangle shape down my paper and making it to a point at the end so it looks like this. I like to use the edge of the paper because I know it's going to be a straight line. Next, we are going to make the leg. So T-Rexes have big, strong legs. So first, we're going to start off at the top of the leg and draw a squiggly line down. Then, back up at the top, we're going to make it big and then smaller as we go down to the dinosaur's ankle. So it's going to look something like that. Then we need to make its feet. So I like to make T-Rex feet with triangles for their toes. I'm going to give them 4 toes and round off the foot just like that. Next is their itty bitty arm. So we are going to start off kind of like the foot, but make it smaller. So we're going to start off a little bigger with a squiggly line. And the same thing like we did with the leg. So we're going to make another squiggly line, making it smaller towards the wrist. And the same thing with the foot. I like to give them triangle fingers. Just like that. Now it's time for the head. I like to make a T-Rex head kind of like how I'll make a dog head. So first I'm going to start off with the nose. I would give yourself a little bit more room, so go down to almost the middle of your page. We're going to start off with a semicircle, just like that. And then we're going to make the top of the head. So we're going to go from the top of the nose and make another semicircle, just like that. Now, we're going to connect the bottom part of the nose all the way down to make the neck, just like that. And the same thing with the top of the head. So we're just going to draw a line going down. Now you can cut out a space for the mouth if you want. So you're going to cut out this piece, or you could leave it and then just draw it on later. Now that we have the tail, the leg, the arm, and the head drawn out, we're going to use our scissors to cut them out. So cut each of those carefully out, and then we'll be ready to glue. Now that we have our head, arm, tail, and leg all cut out, it's time to glue. So grab your body, and we're going to stand it up just like this. The first thing that we're going to glue down is the tail. I found that using a glue stick works the best. So take your glue stick and put some glue right at the end of your tail, just like that, and then put it behind your paper plate on the curved side and push it down, just like that. Now we're going to take our glue again and glue down our leg. So we're going to use some glue at the top of the leg, just like that, and put it at the bottom of our dinosaur's body. And push down Perfect. Now it's time for the hand. Again, just right at the top, and put it in the middle of the dinosaur's body on the straight side of the plate. Hold it down. And now it's time for the head. So place a little bit of glue right at the end of the neck and put it all the way at the top of your plate. Some of your parts might fall off just like how they did with mine. You're just going to push it back and hold it down. Now that all of your body parts are glued down, it's time to make the face. I like to use my white and my black crayon to make the eye. I'm going to make a circle with my white and then a smaller circle on the inside for the eye. Then I'm going to make my dinosaur a happy T-Rex. So I'm going to draw a smiley face on it just like that. Now you can leave it just like this, or you could add scales on the tail, leg, and arms. You could add whatever you would like. You're all done making your paper plate dinosaur. Here's mine. I want to see yours, so take a picture of it and post it on Seesaw. Great work!